Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take
But Obi me your friend is Sanjay. Good morning, Sanjay.
Oh, 2 minutes.
Only Nanka mepe the other AOB but time as soon.
2 minutes.
Eti Esan say Okoba be deputy health minister. You say me man of respect. Abro suf say first no. Eti dog, remember 2 minutes exactly.
Yes, sir.
Me to man respect I say kakra ba me ho.
Yo, Mati. 2 minutes. Let's stick to it and get it over and done. About 11.
Me jitum say e was say man confirm say yare we enye ara e di agro. Sebi onye kata bia na eku we kata ebetimi atake life. Eti shell nose mask. Wash your hands. Ronsa brakwami. Only bibia ye wo large gatherings avoid it. Me jitum. Now so adi bakra masua as a doctor ni say ushia patient na o catch no procedure bi o koyo operation ma no na your operation we nkrofo 100 5 etimi free mu wa brakwami one catch patient ni ye the presentation just mention say 5 can die be my patient like I say onye surgery no am okwa wan hwa enu akoku no in risk communication no you tell both stories say the risk is there but these are the steps I may take here about me I mitigate it. And sometimes you know when I tell the whole story say mortality is 0.4 and then just how for no I don't put value on their lives but one can the whole story obe committee in fact a nurse in Italy committed suicide when a result came that she was positive for COVID. I don't blame her. If nipa no year education no more the overall picture the risk of death in even one person ever to me ama you know what is interesting preventing HIV virus
Yes.
there were 3 things they told us the ABC of prevention. A, abstain.
Abstinence.
B, be faithful. There was a reason why they added a third one, condom use. You know why? Because in obi are in a risk level obi or a risk averse obi su the onfa she although ya chain say being faithful and staying away is what to help you know because obetimi cost still I misbehave you know you see the C came in condom use are you know what I'm saying
Yeah.
when a virus has proven that it will not be like SARS that will stay around for a year or has proven say yet say H1N1 the total number of people it killed in the world and drew 100,000
Ebola.
You have to consider movement but you must find ways to reduce the risk now a plane what do you say people try plane and then
Mini
people will never sit in a plane why because in the history of man plane are tough from that and don't try plane so who do you be kasa about air travel now all you want to mention is one plane that came like the Ethiopian plane wow but you must mention the number of flights that are in the air at any time
and I've successfully flown and landed.
Exactly. So your can story is just to let people know say sebi o show bi na wanya corona na wa recover onye samai and one kasa so share won so yie na say ba no crampo nyame pangu say o china is we positive it's not a death sentence.
Yeah.
Just have to take care of yourself and you know let me take the opportunity.
It may not be a death sentence.
Yes.
It may not be.
No. Or let me say it is not an automatic death sentence.
I know it may not
Yes.
be.
What it may be? When you don't move, there are health conditions that come into play. Your risk level for thrombosis increases.
Yeah.
Clot. The obitra premucha. And I know people who have died suddenly from clot. When you don't move, your chance of infection increases. So, anything I make in my earlier presentation say, in trying to reduce a particular risk, you have to look out for other risk. Because I'm coming.
I'm surprised you took this tangent.
No, I'm coming. You wait.
Because lockdown in Chile say, and I say, you can exercise in your home.
But you know that risk. You know that the ease with movement when people are out is of course higher than being. But mobility, no, it was to achieve 2 things. I mean, stay in the lockdown. I said we needed time to know more about the virus, and secondly, we wanted to slow the virus down.
Yeah.
But in letting easy restrictions, you know, is because when you add all other risk, there ought to be a balance. And the president, and I Kasai, no churches, right? Borders closed, right? No schools, right? as we speak, no social gatherings, right? Ragami.
Unlimited social gatherings.
Ragami, it's an indication that you have a president that is conscious of the fact that
social gatherings
limited,
less than 25.
Excellent, Ragami. It means your president are all taking steps. So, boy, who buying not in a hurry to let us start running around, but at the same time, Onusu, I just to say, in looking out and saving people from a particular risk, other risk matter as well.
Yes.
Me pacho. Syria.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.